And in the next maybe 1 minute, I just want to spend 1 minute, I'm going to go really quickly, and if you have your phones, get them out, because I want to give you 5 things very quickly that you can start doing tomorrow morning, and this can change your life, because it will change how your brain works. So listen carefully. The first thing that you need to do is prioritize prioritizing. No, this is very important, I mean it. This means prioritize first, before doing any other energy-hungry task, like reading emails, which is what Martha did. And this is because prioritizing is probably the most important thing that you need to do in your life, but it's also one of the most energy-consuming things that you can do with your brain. So do it first. Second, use visuals. One of the best ways to reduce the energy required for processing information is literally to see something. You've just learned a super complex scientific idea, such as the functioning of your prefrontal cortex, made relatively easy, right, through the use of images. I brought John. I used a metaphor. And in fact, when you use metaphors or storytelling, basically anything that activates an image in your brain, you activate your visual cortex, which sits at the back of the brain and, again, is super energy efficient. If you picture your bedroom right now, you'll see loads of objects, different sizes, different shapes, different colors, and that's easy to do. Try putting that into words. It takes a lot more brain resources to use words than images. Third thing, get things out of your head. Get them out. And you can do this by writing your big tasks for the day. And the idea with this, and this is one of the most important tips that I share with my clients, and it really is life-changing. When you write things down, what you do is you save your brain for comparing the elements rather than using energy to hold them in your mind. So this can really, really save your life, your performance. The secret with this is minimizing energy usage to maximize performance. Number 4, divide your working day based on the type of brain usage, rather than projects or topics or themes, which is very different to how we normally do it, because usually you work on a project and then you move on to another project. Actually consider doing blocks of time just for creative thinking, strategic, writing, decision-making, even if you're working across different projects. And then another block of time for meetings, another one for things like catching up on emails. What you do with that is also really smart, because when you switch from one thing to the other, you give your brain a chance to recover. And last, my personal favorite, don't think when you don't have to. And this is, seriously, don't. I love this one. I love not paying attention to things that are not urgent. Really, don't think unless you really have to, because your ability to make great decisions is a very limited resource. No matter what you do, you cannot sit there all day and make brilliant decisions one after the other all day long like a truck driver can stay on the road. It's just different. So before